Money isn't just about numbers. It's about choices, freedom, and control. Yet most people go through life without ever being taught how money really works. That's where financial literacy comes in. If you want true independence, you need to master the rules of money before money rules you. If you enjoy life-changing financial lessons like this, click the link in the description for more guides and resources to accelerate your path to financial freedom. So what does it mean to be financially literate? Simply put, it means understanding how money flows in and out of your life, how to grow it, how to protect it, and how to make it work for you. Let's explore the key rules of financial literacy, your roadmap to financial freedom. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. It sounds obvious, but it's the foundation of everything. If your expenses always rise to match your income, you'll never build wealth. The first rule of literacy is learning to control lifestyle inflation and always keep a gap between earnings and spending. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills or buying luxuries, set aside a percentage of your income for savings and investments. This habit builds wealth automatically. Financially literate people treat savings like a non-negotiable expense because their future self depends on it. Rule 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, or unexpected repairs can derail anyone. A 3 to 6 month emergency fund shields you from debt and gives you peace of mind. It's financial literacy in action, being prepared for the unknown. Rule 4. Understand debt. Not all debt is equal. Bad debt, like credit cards and consumer loans, drains your wealth. Good debt, like student loans or a mortgage, can be leveraged for growth if managed wisely. Financial literacy means knowing the difference and never letting debt control you. Rule 5. Make money work for you. Wealthy people don't just trade time for money. They make money grow. That's where investing comes in. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or businesses, the rule is simple. Put your money into assets that generate income over time. This is how financial freedom becomes possible. Quick reminder, if this is resonating with you, hit that subscribe button so you never miss future lessons on wealth, money, and success. Rule 6. Protect what you build. Insurance, wills, and risk management are often overlooked, but they're vital. Financial literacy means not only growing wealth, but safeguarding it for yourself and your loved ones. Rule 7. Continuous learning. Money is always changing. New tools, new markets, new opportunities. Being financially literate means being a lifelong student of money. Read, learn, and adapt so your knowledge keeps pace with the world. Rule 8. Define your enough. Financial freedom isn't just about having millions. It's about knowing when you have enough to live the life you truly want. Without this clarity, you'll keep chasing endlessly. Literacy teaches you that freedom is not just about wealth. It's about alignment between money and values. In the end, being financially literate isn't just about math. It's about mindset, discipline, and systems. When you follow these rules, spend wisely, save consistently, invest smartly, and protect your assets, you put yourself on the path to independence. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, financial literacy is not just knowledge, it's the key to freedom. Learn the rules, apply them daily, and money will stop being a source of stress and start becoming a source of power.